Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to source goods from AliExpress. So let's look at men's clothing. Let's look at hoodies and sweatshirts. So you want to look for the most high quality ones. You would go to orders. Something you want something with high orders like this, and also something with high stars. So this is a very popular shirt. And after that, you can just brand it yourself. You just buy a lot of them, and then just message the seller, oh, I want like my brand on it, and they'll do it for you and the packaging, but you negotiate the price and how many units you're gonna buy, and after that you just sell in your own store. So yeah, they can have like all the units shipped to your house, or I guess you can also negotiate like drop shipping for your logo and all that stuff, all that jazz. So yeah, see the material on this. Counter regular, yes. What's the material? Acetate's not that good. You can go, oh, I want 100% cotton, but you have to pay a little more, I guess. But you have to buy a certain amount of units, and then they'll also make it which fabric you want. But you gotta talk to the vendor. But always buy samples first. Always go for ones with like the most pieces bought, 5 stars, stuff like that. And that's how I go about buying high quality stuff from AliExpress in China. I wouldn't recommend like one with low orders. Let's see, let's look for something with low orders, something bad. I don't know, it's anything bad. Something with low orders would be 100 or something. Those I don't really trust as much, because it's gonna be low quality and you buy it and you're gonna return it. This is a pretty cool hoodie, like sleeveless, like a muscle shirt. Looks very Korean. They have a sizing chart, and it looks like that. Let's see the material. The material is let's see, cotton polyester. That's fine. This is a good, pretty good material, I guess. And thanks for watching, guys. And this is how you source products from China. Peace.